Hi, I'm Dr. Vinothini Kannan. I run a private practice in Seawoods for the past 10 years, and I am here to give a heartfelt thanks to Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja for conducting the practice management course. This course has shattered a lot of my beliefs and my learnings through these years about how to run a practice, and it is helping me in rethinking and reapproaching the same problems and issues of a practice management in a more systematic and streamlined manner. The guidance provided for the legal aspects of running a practice has been very beneficial. Another important factor that I would want to stress is his willingness to help. You drop in a query and you get a reply at the earliest best from him, and most of the times the queries is solved in the most rightful way. It's a very good feeling to know that there is somebody out there who would help you in case of an issue in your practice. So again, sending out a heartfelt thanks to him, and I wish him all the best for doing what he is doing and contributing to our fraternity as a whole.